Hello, my name is JGrififnAguilar. This is for Bio 240. It is July 28th, and I am doing week 4, the lymphatic system. So first I'm going to point out the locations of the lymph nodes. So starting with the tonsils right here, and then I'm going to go down right here on the tonsils. The location is the back of the throat on both sides. The function of it is to trap germs that we breathe in or that we digest, and as in regards to where they pass through the tonsils. This helps prevent throat infections and lung infections. Going down here to the cervical lymph nodes, and their location is right around the base of the neck. And their function is to protecting the body against infection by delivering immune cells. Going right over here to the thymus. The thymus is right here. The thymus is located in the mid-chest, as you can see. The function is training and developing T cells. And after puberty, this actually becomes some subcutaneous tissue. It actually goes away. Moving down to the axillary lymph nodes, right in here. This location is on either side of the armpit right here. The function for these, they play a vital role in the filtration and conduction of lymph. Moving down right here, this is the spleen. The spleen is adjacent to the stomach and is actually attached to the stomach as well. The function of the spleen acts as a filter for the blood. Old red blood cells are recycled here, and platelets for white blood cells are restored. Moving down here is the appendix, and we actually do not know the function of the appendix. And then right over here is the Prior's patch. In the Prior patch, this location is within the small intestines, and the function, it monitors interintestinal bacteria population to prevent growth of pathogenic bacteria. So that's all the locations of the lymph nodes that we were asked to describe. So in regards to the circulation of lymph, it starts as plasma. The part that escapes the arterial blood becomes extracellular fluid, and it does not enter the cell. It is around the cell. Some of that blood, once it starts moving again, it becomes plasma, and about 10% of this blood becomes lymph. Lymph moves in a circular motion. It has its own vessels, and it is parallel to our venous system. It moves in the same direction as our venous system. Unfortunately, lymph does not have its own pumping system like the heart does. Like our circulatory system does. It has to actually rely on the movement of our skeletal muscles and a movement of our bodies to move our lymph through our system. The lymph system is one-way valves, and it does move in one direction. So where it starts, the blood starts in the blood capillaries, and then it becomes into the interstitial spaces. Then from there, it goes into the lymphatic capillaries, then into the lymphatic vessels, through the lymph nodes, then back into the lymphatic vessels. From there, it goes to the lymphatic ducts. And from there, the lymphatic ducts, it goes into the junction of the interjugular and subclavial veins, and then the process is repeated. I did want to explain that only the clean blood goes up into the subclavial vein and back into the body. Throughout the system, if there is some blood that is unclean, it is drained through the axillary nodes here. Again, my name is Jennifer Griffin Aguilar. It is July 28th, 2019, and this is my video for Bio 240. Thank you so much.